This is Easy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off daily screen time on TikTok. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! TikTok Reels have become a modern variety of opium that keep users trapped in an endless loop of videos. These videos bite to tend to possess some magical power to override the monotony and pressure that crush down on our days. One can you only attribute it to the impossible variety in the content available on the app, all thanks to the influencer and their ingenious creative explosion. But if you find your productivity curve plumping steadily because of this distraction, then it's a sign for help that shouldn't be missed, and sometimes you might need a supervisor to keep an eye on your activities and keep you in check. You can activate your, you can turn off your daily screen time on TikTok. So first of all, of course, we have to open our TikTok. Now you can tap on your profile on the up right corner here. Now you can tap on the up right corner here, the three lines. Tap on settings and privacy. On content and display section, there is an option activity center. You can tap on that. You can see there is your daily average screen time. You can tap on see all screen time data. My daily screen time is active. I will get notified if I reach 2 hours time on TikTok. You can tap on that. To turn off, you can tap on the toggle here. But if you only want to edit your daily screen time without turn off, you can tap on daily screen time. Edit daily screen time. You can set the time maybe for 1 hour, or you can custom the time for 3 hours, 4 hours. But if you want to turn off, just tap on the toggle here. So now your daily screen time on TikTok is turned off. So that is how to turn off daily screen time on TikTok. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.